Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking. As part of my basic series of videos, today I'll be making home fries. I've got 500 grams of potatoes which I'm just going to cut up into a small dice. Now that they're cut up, I'm just going to parboil them on the Joyce stove for about 10 minutes. I'm using a stainless steel pan here because I don't want to use a cast iron pan and take the seasoning off. So these are about 10 minutes and they're just starting to soften. So I'm going to take them off, drain them. Using the skillet here, I'm just going to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil in. I'm going to have the drained potatoes in the skillet. Moving around, we're going to keep these for about 5 minutes or so until we've got a bit of colour starting to appear on them. Then we're going to add half a chopped onion. Mix this in, cooking. So to this we're going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. 3/4 teaspoon of paprika. All stirred it together again. Now I'm going to put this into a wood-fired oven. So I'm going to cook this for about 10 minutes and I'll come back and have a check. After 10 minutes I'm just going to give the skillet a good shake. Stir these up and put them back in for another 10 minutes. So these are now done. There we have it, Dutchy's home fries. If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.